In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a calendar in Outlook 365. We'll do this using Outlook on the web, so you can follow along from any browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right permission level and send a clean sharing invitation that others can use right away. First, head to Outlook.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your inbox. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good idea to sign in using a private browsing window so your account stays secure when you're done. Next, open the calendar. Look for the calendar icon in the left rail. It sits alongside Mail and other apps. Click it, and the calendar view will load. Give it a moment. Your calendars and events should appear in the main pane with your calendar list on the left. Now open the sharing panel. In the calendar list on the left, find the calendar you want to share. By default, it's called Calendar. Right-click that calendar name, then choose Sharing and Permissions. This opens the sharing drawer where you'll manage who can see your schedule. If you keep multiple calendars, make sure you're selecting the one that contains the events you want others to see. Add the person you want to share with by typing their email address into the box. Outlook will try to autocomplete from your contacts. If you see the correct person, select them. Double-check the address for typos to avoid sending access to the wrong person. Choose the permission level that fits what you need. Can view when I'm busy shows only your availability, which is perfect for scheduling without exposing event details. Can view titles and locations reveals the subject and where you'll be, but not full descriptions or attendees. Can view all details allows them to see everything on your events without making changes. Can edit lets them create, modify, and delete events on that calendar, which is useful for teammates who help manage your schedule. Delegate gives someone the ability to act on your behalf for calendar tasks, similar to an assistant, including responding to meeting invitations for you. When you're ready, click Share to send the invitation. The recipient will receive an email with a link to open your calendar. They may need to accept before it appears on their side. If they can't find the message, ask them to check their junk or spam folder. That's it. Your calendar is now shared with the permissions you chose. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try these same steps whenever you need to adjust who can see your schedule or what they can do with it.